Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been 8 months since I got my hands on the iPhone 16 Pro, and after months of daily use, traveling, working, content creating, and just regular life, I think I can finally give you the truth. Is the iPhone 16 Pro still worth it? Or should you skip it for the upcoming iPhone 17? Or even hold out for Apple's rumored foldable? Let's dive in. Here's my full long-term review. Let's start with the design. And this is where the iPhone 16 Pro truly shines, even after 8 months of daily use. The phone features a brushed titanium frame, which replaced the stainless steel from earlier Pro models. And let me tell you, it makes a big difference. Not only does it look more modern and industrial, but it also feels noticeably more premium in the hand. The matte texture gives it a grippy, almost rugged feel, while still looking sleek and minimalist. Now, let's talk weight, because this is something you actually feel every day. The iPhone 16 Pro comes in at around 194 grams, which is lighter than the 15 Pro, and significantly lighter than the Pro Max models. That lighter weight is one of the most underrated improvements Apple made. It stands at about 147.6 millimeters tall, 71.6 millimeters wide, and is just 8.3 millimeters thick. That makes it easy to use one-handed, especially for people who don't want a massive phone like the Pro Max. It's more comfortable to hold during long browsing sessions. It's still solid and premium in the hand, but it no longer feels like a brick. Whether you're using it for long video calls, gaming sessions, or shooting content, it's comfortable, ergonomic, and just the right size for most people. The switch to titanium from stainless steel made it about 20 grams lighter than older models, and you can definitely feel that difference. It's still a solid phone, so it doesn't feel cheap by any means, but the weight distribution is more balanced now. The edges are also slightly rounded this year, which helps reduce that sharp in the hand feeling that older models like the iPhone 13 Pro had. After 8 months, the buttons still feel tactile, the action button hasn't worn out, and the phone still looks practically brand new, even without a case. I've dropped mine a couple of times with a basic bumper case, and there's no visible damage at all. If you care about premium build quality, pocket feel, and long-term durability, the iPhone 16 Pro absolutely holds its own. So, I recently updated my iPhone 16 Pro to iOS 26, and I have to say it's a pretty major leap compared to the earlier versions. Animations feel even smoother, and I haven't faced any major bugs or battery drain after updating. After 8 months of daily use, let's talk about battery, and I'll be honest. The iPhone 16 Pro has held up better than I expected. It comes with a roughly 3,200 milliamp hour battery, which on paper doesn't sound huge, but thanks to the power efficiency of the A18 Pro chip and now iOS 26, the optimization is excellent. We can easily check your daily battery usage right from your iPhone. Just head to Settings, tap on Battery, and you'll see a detailed breakdown of how much power each app is using, both when the screen is on and in the background. It's a great way to understand what's draining your battery the most and adjust your usage if needed. My battery health is currently at 100%, which is excellent after 8 months of daily charging. Charging-wise, you've got USB-C fast charging, MagSafe wireless, and regular Qi charging. With a 30-watt adapter, I get from 0 to 50% in about 25 minutes, which is good. My iPhone 16 Pro shows about 198 full charging cycles. That's well within healthy range. In controlled testing, you can expect approximately 14 hours of battery life. One of the standout features of the iPhone 16 Pro is still Dynamic Island. 8 months in, I've found it to be more than just a gimmick. It's become part of my daily routine. From seeing incoming calls and AirDrop progress, to checking timers and live sports scores. It's quick, fluid, and surprisingly useful. Apple has expanded third-party app support, so now you can track rides, follow delivery updates, or even monitor live translations right from the top of your screen without opening another app. Is it perfect? Not quite. In bright sunlight, the animations can sometimes be hard to see, and not every app takes advantage of it yet. But when it works, It feels seamless, almost like the phone is quietly helping you in the background. Dynamic Island may have started as a fun design choice, but after months of use, it's become a functional, everyday tool I'd really miss if it were gone. With the iOS 26 update, Safari has gotten a serious upgrade. First, speed. Pages load faster and feel more responsive, especially when switching between multiple tabs. Apple says this is thanks to their updated WebKit engine, and in day-to-day use, it's noticeably smoother. One of my favorite changes in Safari on iOS 26 is the new full screen mode. With a single tap, all the toolbars and buttons disappear, letting the web page take over your entire display. It's perfect for reading articles, watching videos, or browsing photos without distractions. Need the controls back? Just swipe or tap the screen, and they reappear instantly. Apple has also made it smarter. If you scroll down, Safari automatically hides the interface for a more immersive view, and when you scroll up, the address bar slides back in so you can navigate quickly. Combined with the iPhone 16 Pro's Super Retina XDR display, full screen browsing feels more like holding the page in your hand than looking at it on a phone. Apple Intelligence on the iPhone 16 Pro brings a powerful set of features designed to make your phone truly understand and assist you. With smart writing tools, it can rewrite, proofread, and summarize text anywhere, whether you're replying to an email or drafting a note. Now let me show you just how easy it is to write an email with the new Apple Intelligence writing tool. Imagine you're in a rush, or maybe you're not sure how to word something perfectly. I'll start by typing a quick draft. It doesn't matter if it's a formal business proposal, a casual message to a friend, or even a customer support reply. Apple Intelligence instantly understands the purpose and tone. And here's the best part. If you want extra creativity or detail, it can even work alongside ChatGPT to help refine your ideas, add clarity, or adjust the style. Within seconds, that rough, unfinished text transforms into a clean, polished, professional message. You can read through it, make your own edits if you like, and when you're happy with it, you're ready to hit send. No stress, no wasted time. Just smart, fast, and effortless writing. But these days, writing emails, or almost anything, is easier than ever with the ChatGPT app and other powerful AI tools. In just a few seconds, you can go from a blank screen to a perfectly written message, saving time and making your communication sharper and more professional. However, what I really love is the new Siri. It's no longer just a voice in the background. Now it appears beautifully on your screen, with a sleek, modern design that feels more personal and interactive than ever before. And when you're messaging, it gets even more fun. You can now generate your own stickers on the spot. Take a photo, choose an emoji, or even make a quick doodle, and Apple Intelligence transforms it into a unique sticker you can send instantly. You can already create stickers in apps like WhatsApp. But now, with Apple Intelligence built into iMessage, it's instant, effortless, and much more creative. No extra apps, no exporting, just tap and share. But honestly, I haven't really used this feature myself yet. It's one of those fun tools that's great to have, even if it's not part of my everyday routine. Honestly, one of my favorite features is the AI Remover in the Photos app. It lets you remove unwanted objects, people, or distractions with just a few taps. And most of the time, the results are impressive and look completely natural. That said, occasionally it doesn't get it perfectly, so you might see some unexpected edits. But even then, it's still a huge time saver for quick photo fixes. All you need to do is draw over the object you want gone. In just seconds, the AI removes it, leaving your photo clean and natural. No complicated editing required. But that's not all. You can also make your photos pop with a 3D effect. Just tap the icon in the top corner of the image, and instantly your photo gains depth and dimension, giving it a more dynamic, eye-catching look. Now, let's talk about the camera on the iPhone 16 Pro. And believe me, this is where Apple really shines. From stunning photos to professional-grade video, the camera system has been completely redesigned to give you more detail, more flexibility, and more creative control than ever before. The camera controls on the iPhone 16 Pro are smoother and more intuitive than ever. Whether you're switching between wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses, adjusting focus, or fine-tuning exposure, everything feels fluid and responsive. These camera improvements all arrive with the iOS 26 update. From smoother lens switching to enhanced focus and exposure controls, iOS 26 makes the iPhone 16 Pro camera more powerful and easier to use than ever before, giving you a more seamless photography and videography experience. What I love most is how smooth and responsive the camera control buttons feel. Whether you're snapping photos, switching lenses, or recording video, every adjustment is effortless. It's intuitive, precise, and makes capturing the perfect shot feel natural and enjoyable. And with the new camera system, you can zoom up to an impressive 25x. That means you can get close-up shots of distant objects without losing any detail, making it perfect for nature, sports, or even cityscapes. Here's a handy tip. Just double tap on the camera icon, and you can instantly adjust your camera settings. Switching lenses, changing exposure, or toggling modes becomes smooth and effortless, letting you focus on capturing the perfect photo or video. Switching between wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses, adjusting focus, or tweaking exposure is effortless, giving you full creative control at your fingertips. The camera control buttons are incredibly responsive. Whether you're taking photos or recording video, Apple's iPhone 16 Pro packs a 48-megapixel main camera that captures extraordinary detail, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens for sweeping landscapes, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens for sharp, zoomed-in shots. And one of my favorite additions is the Action button. It lets you change camera settings, start video recording, or access your most used tools with just a single press. Combined with the smooth controls and double-tap shortcuts, capturing the perfect shot has never been this effortless. What's really cool is that you can change the Action button settings right from the iPhone's Settings menu. This lets you assign it to any camera function or shortcut you use most, whether it's starting a video, switching lenses, or opening a specific mode, so your workflow is fully personalized and super efficient. One of the cool little touches is that when your iPhone is charging, it can double as a mini watch. The screen lights up to show the time, date, and even notifications, making it easy to keep track of everything at a glance while it powers up. After 8 months of using the iPhone 16 Pro, since I bought it in December 2024, I've had plenty of time to test everything from the battery and performance to the camera, AI features, and iOS 26 updates. Here's what I've discovered during my experience. I'd really love to hear from you in the comments. What are your thoughts on the iPhone 16 Pro? Do you have any questions about the features I covered, or is there something you think I missed? Drop a comment below. I always enjoy reading your insights and feedback. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my experience with the iPhone 16 Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.